Hello everyone, welcome to this PHP tutorial number 11, that is logical operator and string operator. So today we are going to understand what is logical operator and what is string operator. So let's get started. So first we are going to check the logical operator. So in PHP, logical operator means combine the condition statement and return the true or false value or the value defined or the array. So let's just understand by example. Let's just say a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3 here. So let's say in if I write a is equal to 1, 1 and then and this is the first operator, logical operator, and for symbolic we use this like this and then b is equal to 3. Now what this means, if you use AND operator, it means both the condition need to be true. So if this one is condition is true, then print true, that is if part, else go to the else part, echo, sorry, hmm, false. Okay, so if I save this one and get, it will print true because both the condition are true. Now let's just say one condition is false. That is here b is 3, but I have written b is equal to true. If now this condition is failed, it should go to the this part. Yeah, this is the AND operator. Now second one is OR operator. Okay, you can use this symbol or directly the word OR. Now here what this operator do, it check if one condition is true and one is false, it will go to the if part. That means for this operator this condition is true, even both the condition are true, also this operator consider this condition as true and go to the if part. Now if I refresh this one, true. Okay, here one condition is true. Let's say both the condition are true, still to fail this operator we need to make sure that both the condition is false for go to the else part. Okay, so this is a simple operator. Mostly in PHP we use and or this operator, and there is one more operator, that is XOR operator. Now the condition is fails, so it will go to the fails part. Now here what it's check, XOR means a is equal to 1, this one is true, and for second variable, if second variable is true, then it will also go to the else part. Why? Because this operator need only one condition is true. So let's say if a is true and b is false, then it goes to the if part. So this is the meaning of XOR. Now there is very important operator in the PHP. Most in the most of the project development, this operator are used, and or and not equal to. Now here a is equal to 1, 1 is not equal to 1. That means condition is fails, so it goes to the else part. Okay, let's just say here now not equal to, other than 1 you can put any number. Here we go. Now There is also one condition in PHP operator have the priorities. So if priority wise we check, there is a first priority operator is not equal to, means if you write like this is not equal to 11, then you write and a is equal to 1. Okay, now here this have the highest priority than this one, and then or, and the lowest priority is the and word, then or word, this one. But yeah, so let's just say now according to our condition, a is not equal to 11, true, and a is equal to 1, true. So in which part is the else part? Let's just say now here I put 3. Now here is and, so which part it should go? Let's see, false. Okay, and let's just say if I put 1 here, this condition is false and this condition is true. Okay, right? I hope you understand the priority. Let's understand with another example. Let's just say is equal to 3 or b is equal to 4. Okay, now let's just say 1 here, because I need first condition to be true and second one is false. Now according to our condition, here it will first check true. Okay, and then this one is false, right? So it should go to the true part because first condition is true, then it's put or, right? Let's just say now false. Why it goes to the false? Because this operator has a highest priority than this one. Let's just say we need to separate this one, so we can put round bracket or the parenthesis, just put, let me put me round bracket. Okay, now it checks separately this condition. First it is true and then this condition, then it will go to the if part. Yeah, true. Because of this round bracket make a different of two condition. Let's say if I put this one here and here, then it will make this condition first priority, and then it will check like this condition is true or this condition is true, like that. So I hope this you can guys understand this. Now second one is string operator. So it is a simple, it has only true operators. One is this one, you can say it full stop, dot, whatever, full stop, is used to join the two string. We have two variable. Now we need to print both a1 a dot, let's just say equal to and b. So what this called concatenation. So basically it's used to join the two variables, two, three, whatever the variables you want. Here we go, like this. It join that operator and print the string. Okay, now the second one is Now here I want to append something to a variable. That time I use full stop equal to concatenation assignment operator. You can call this operator. Now assign the space and then true. Okay. Now basically for this same variable, it have append this value to there. Let's say if I print echo a, and here we go, one true space then one true. Okay. Now I hope you understand the logical operator. There is five operator, but two are same, just the wording change. You can use the word and or word or, then or the symbol and or like this symbol for or, and then XOR and not equal to. So total six operators. Okay, and in the string operator there is only two operators. One is concatenation, that is full stop, and second one is concatenation assignment operators. Okay, so the string operator is also very useful in PHP. When you are doing projector, this operator are very much use it. So join the two variable or append the value to the another variable for that. So I hope you guys understand, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much guys. Please share, like, comment to this video. If you have any question, just comment in the comment box. I will answer it to your question. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.